Hi everybody, today I'm making a candy corn wreath. It's not shaped like a candy corn, it's just gonna have candy corn on it, I think, hopefully. This is a ribbon wreath form. I've zip tied the tails of it. You know, they usually come out. I've zip tied them together here and here. And my placement for my pipe cleaners are two on the outside. This one's not even attached. I had this wired wrong and I had to go back and move stuff around. Just twist it on here. Two on the outsides, one in the inner ring. There's three here, three here, three here. That's 9. There's one on a crossbar in the middle is 10. This one stays at the base, 11. There's one right here, one matching on the side, 12, 13. One at the cross right here, 14. Two right here, 15 and 16. One here and one all the way at the bottom. So, can you maybe see it better from that way? I've done this in a couple other videos by now, so it should be pretty clear, but still. This is really the only one I think that I want to glue down, because it does not want to stay, but everything else pretty much stays in place. Okay, so that's all wired up. You can try different configurations on how to wire it. That's just how I did it the first time, and I was like, okay. This is some summer mesh. I'm assuming it's summer because I don't know what else you would use this for except for candy corn. I saw this and I was like, that's so ugly for summer, but also, wow, that really would be nice for Halloween because it's got the yellow, the orange. This turns into like a red, into a pink, into a purple on the end, and as if the red wasn't in there, it'd be perfect, but you know. So I'm going to, this is Walmart mesh. It's on clearance, so I think they're finally getting rid of it because I think I'm the only person who buys it, and I'm pretty sure I only buy it when I'm in a predicament. So I'm going to do ruffles. And I have 2 rolls. You cannot, absolutely, under any circumstances, make any kind of wreath with 1 roll of this. Like, I don't see how that's possible. Because it is super thin. And it's very scratchy, and it's tough, and it's cheap. But I haven't seen this color anywhere else, so we can make it work. So I'm just folding the end down. And ruffling up the middle. And each tie is going to get 2 of these. And I feel like if I put them this way, they're going to... It's going to be a bright wreath. Yeah, that's fine. I thought that I might... Yeah, I'm going to... The purple's here on the top, it's here on the bottom. So let's see how this goes. So yeah, this mesh is, it's just like $5, which is ridiculous because, I mean, at $5, what you could get at Hobby Lobby on sale or at Craft Outlet regular price. But if you don't have a Hobby Lobby, or you don't shop at Hobby Lobby, or you don't shop at Craft Outlet, just like the Dollar Tree wreath, this is a option. It's not an economical option. It's not the best option, but it's an option. I have a bunch of red glue in here because I did not have a pack of orange or yellow. I just had like I bought a rainbow pack and because I had enough of each. Okay. Come here, bright one. And he would definitely have to go right in the middle. And I couldn't pose his legs because if I had to ship him, I would have to like put the legs up. But I could pose the legs like for pictures. I was even thinking if I use like if I used a heat gun, I could bend like right here to get him in there. Oh, stop. He's like, no, 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 stop. Ha ha. I think he's too big. I don't know how I'm going to get him in a wreath. This may not be the one for you, Franklin. He's like, whatever. Open your mouth. Oh, no. Oh, no. Alright, guys, I'm going to call it a night. I'm going to come back. I got some ribbon to put in here. Kind of all over the place. I think it's all going to be black and white. Oh, no, I do have purple and orange, I think. So, yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I have cut some ribbon. I have some leftover tubing. I have some black and white ribbon that I want to put in here, but I don't want it everywhere. So, where are we going to start from? Let's start with the ribbon. This is actually from Dollar Tree. I am not a fan of the Dollar Tree wired ribbon, but I have tugged on this pretty hard. I've messed up the edges. It's got a terrible dovetail, but what's new? But it's actually really kind of nice. Which is weird because their Easter stuff was so bad. But I haven't seen this one there, so maybe it's new? I don't know. I was gonna do a purple and a orange in every tie, but I think that's gonna be a bit much. So I'm gonna do a orange and a purple in every other tie, and then I'm gonna do the opposite color in tubing. So these are 12 inches. I'm going to do around the outside first. Or should I put the black and white ribbon in first? I don't know. Do I like that? I think I need to put it with orange. I didn't want to put so much purple in here, but I thought I had like a gold tubing. Like I got one of the fall gold ones, but must have not. This a couple twists because I think that is it for these. Alright, so now I really will, well, I'm gonna cut the tubing and then I'm gonna go get in bed and watch Nicolas Cage act crazy. Alright, all my little, what is this? The Deco mesh, Deco tubing bundles are in. I have some of these decorative fillers from Dollar Tree. I just like the, like, I don't like the, that you can see the, not like you can really see it, but I don't like that you can see the pipe cleaner. So I'm just gonna go around and every one of these is going to get a something on it. I'm going to cut some ribbon at 14 inches, I think. Somewhere along there. Here. This is a 4-inch ribbon from Craft Outlet. I think I might do, okay, I'm either going to do 3 or 5. This is one of the signs I got today. This is not the one I'm using, but it says, it's like a little tag sign that says, "Quit your witching." Alright, so, all day today, when I wasn't crocheting, I was making candy corn. Even though it's gross. But it's definitely Halloweeny. So, oh, let me just knock everything over. I need to put those Riverdales in something. I have a big one, 3 little ones. They're already on pipe cleaners. They have a little blue thing across the back. I cut these out with my Cricut and I hand sewed all of them. I would not recommend, just because there's no way I'm gonna get back in money the amount of time that I put into making these, because it's all blanket stitched around the edge. I had them glued initially, but then I said, no, I need to like stitch these, and it really gave it a much nicer finish. One of these is glued and stitched. Yeah, this one's like glued and stitched, because there's like 3 versions of it. This is, this is glued and stitched. This is just glued here and then stitched all the way around. So yeah, I have this big one that's just glued here and then stitched all the way around. And you could do this on a machine. I just I don't know, not that I was like, not that I have anything against using a machine. I like handwork, you know. Let me move this camera. I moved it. Okay, that's better. I moved it earlier because it was so far back. I'm trying to go down through. Try to go down through a couple of layers of the mesh so this has something to sit on. gonna have to change my bobbin and rethread my machine. That's the whole reason I don't use my machine, because I don't want to rethread it. So I need to make 2 more balls. I need to make a bow, and I think I'm gonna put my tag like somewhere. Bow, bow. I don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me. If you watched this whole thing, I don't know that I'm going to keep it as long as I originally said I was, because I feel like I was doing this forever. So, here is the completed wreath. I might go back and add some more ribbon too. I don't know what I'm going to do. And I will show you some pictures right now. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.